If you want to zoom in on Fotor quickly and move around your design with ease, this guide will show you the fastest ways to do it. Whether you're editing a photo, working on a graphic, or trying to get a closer look at the details, knowing how to zoom and pan can make your workflow much smoother. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. The first and easiest way to zoom in Fotor is with your keyboard and mouse or trackpad. Simply hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac and scroll up or down. Scrolling up zooms in, while scrolling down zooms out. This is one of the quickest methods because you can adjust your zoom level instantly without touching any menus. If you're using a trackpad, the same idea applies. Hold Control or Command, then use your two-finger scroll gesture to zoom in and out. This is especially helpful when you want to fine-tune small details, like text placement, image edges, or design elements. Now let's look at the zoom controls inside the Fotor workspace. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the preview controls. Here, you can click the plus button to zoom in step by step, or click the minus button to zoom out. This is great if you want more precise control over your view and prefer adjusting zoom in smaller increments. You can also click directly on the percentage number, like 17%, to open a zoom drop-down menu. Fotor gives you several preset zoom levels, ranging from 9% all the way up to 100%. You'll also see options like Fit and One-to-One view. Fit is useful when you want the entire design to appear inside your screen, while One-to-One lets you view the design at its actual size. If you zoom in closely and need to move around the canvas, Fotor makes that easy too. Just hold down the spacebar, then click and drag with your mouse. This lets you pan across the workspace without changing your zoom level. It's perfect when you're zoomed in on a specific area and need to move to another part of the project. A good workflow is to zoom in when you're making detailed edits, zoom out to check the overall layout, and use the spacebar pan tool whenever you need to move across the canvas. These simple controls can save you a lot of time and make editing feel much more natural. So to quickly recap, Control or Command plus scroll lets you zoom in and out. The bottom right preview controls give you plus and minus buttons plus preset zoom levels, and the spacebar lets you pan around the workspace. Once you get used to these shortcuts, editing in Fotor becomes much faster and easier. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.